Cloud computing, explained in detail. Internet is the best thing that has ever happened to the world. It has made everyone's life so much easier. Technology has been rapidly changing every day and you need to buck up, especially if you don't know about cloud computing. If you are a business owner, you would understand the hassle of using a server and maintaining it as well. Cloud computing is used by small or big organizations, both. It has transformed the IT infrastructure only by using the internet to its full potential. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is defined as an on-demand service that conveniently enables you access networks from a reliable computing resource like servers, storage, application, services, etc. Also, it allows you to connect with these sources remotely via internet. The best part is, you only pay for the services you choose for your organization. Anyone with an electronic device can use cloud computing, and they must have access to internet. It has become very popular amongst businesses as using cloud computing can help you save cost, increase productivity, save time, and much more. Cloud computing architecture. The cloud computing architecture consists of many cloud units. Each of them are loosely coupled. We can easily divide cloud architecture into two segments. Front end. Front end means the clients of the cloud computing system. It contains interfaces and applications that are connected to the cloud computing platforms. Example, web browser. Backend. Backend means the cloud itself. It comprises of all the resources needed to offer cloud computing services. It comprises of a massive data storage, virtual machines, security mechanism, services, deployment models, servers, etc. Benefits of cloud computing. There are a lot of benefits of using cloud computing on a daily basis. Organizations have successfully increased productivity and saved time just by using cloud servers. Here are a few advantages of using cloud computing. Security. Security is one of the factors that is needed especially while working on cloud servers. If you can remotely access your server, what are the chances of a cyber criminal would not try and get the same access? Companies hire a cloud host who is responsible of solely monitoring and reporting such activities. After adopting cloud, it has been noticed that data theft significantly decreased and helped the company figure out the faults around it. Flexibility. The flexible nature of cloud has enabled organizations to focus more on their goals, rather than spending time fixing storage issues. Cloud can be upgraded according to when and how you want, but when it comes to a local server, you might have to undergo a complete infrastructural change. This freedom and flexibility has helped businesses become more efficient. Insights. Cloud-based storage provides analytics for an overall view of your data. With this information stored over the cloud, you can conveniently implement tracking and build reports to analyze the insights and further use it to plan on how to achieve your targets. Quality. Poor quality or inconsistent reports can waste a lot of your time, or you might even miss out some important information. Cloud-based systems, your data is stored in a single place and in the same format. This will eliminate confusion, and the maintenance would be easier, as it enables all the employees to access the same data, avoid human error, and have a clear vision upon the records. Disaster recovery. Running a business can be unpredictable, and you might not always have control over everything. This can lead to decreased productivity, revenue, and brand reputation. The worst part is, there is no way to predict such disasters that can hamper your workflow. Cloud services offer instant recovery of data for any emergency conditions, including natural disasters or power outages. Cloud computing is a vast service network that can help you make timely deliveries and upgrades without physically being present. It helps in increasing productivity, saves costs, and speeds up the work process. If you want to pursue a cloud computing training and certification, then connect with our consultants down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Mindcypress for more videos.